there it is. We actually blew a line. All right, so I got this thing here. It's I'll show it to you in a second. I just wanted to test it. It's a little plastic device that clips and you slide it underneath these quick disconnects to pop them off. So let me get one off here and I'll show you how it looks. Okay, so stick it up here, clamp it together, pushed it in all the way. There we go. There we go. Just had to pull a little tighter here. So again, this, when you see this all off, this slid in. I pushed it up and it spreads the little teeth apart in here, and then you can pull this off. So that's it. That's all you have to do to get it off. You'd think it would start to come loose here soon enough. You know what? I'm gonna just cut it. I think I've got plenty of line here. I hope, anyway. All right, I got it back on. Now let's hopefully see that it still reaches. Why isn't it going on? All right, I had to tap into place. I used the backside of a chisel like this, and then I just tapped on this end of the chisel with the hammer. Now it's in. It seems to be. Get that where it needs to be. Right there. Yeah, let's take them off. All right, now this is not the orange stuff. It's just the normal stuff. Way down there, what's left of it. All right, so replace the broken fitting. I was able to just cut off where the broken fitting was inside, and it's still long enough. No issues there, plenty of length. The truck's been running for about 30 minutes. And currently at 199 degrees. One thing I did notice is it's 199 degrees here, but that gauge is not very accurate. I didn't originally have this as the coolant temp thing here. I just had the alarm at 230. I didn't have the coolant temp. And it was because I thought I could pretty much just use the alarm and go by that gauge, but you can't. So be aware of that.